We've seen several school districts end mask requirements for students and staff, citing low case numbers in the districts. But as 5 News reporter Catherine Gilker explains, health experts are saying the drop in cases may not mean we can let our guard down.
Rogers schools no longer require masks for students and staff in pre-K through 6th grade, but they strongly encourage them. The decision was made by the Board of Education late last month to make them optional for those grades when the Arkansas Center for Health Improvement map moved Rogers from the red to the yellow zone. To move from red to yellow, there can only be between 20 and 29 COVID infections per 10,000 residents of the school district in the last 14 days.
We are very encouraged at the declining rate of new cases. Even today, this morning, there were no new cases reported to us, so that was just a great moment. We hope we're seeing a continuing decline.
Here at the Arkansas Department of Health, they say they still stand behind their recommendation from the CDC that masks should be worn in all K through 12 settings, regardless of vaccination status or level of community spread. Dr. Joel Tomlinson is a physician in outbreak response with the Arkansas Department of Health. He warned school districts should not make masks optional too soon.
Getting out of the red zone on our map looks good, but those are still fairly high levels of community spread. They're nowhere near as bad as they were. It is safer than it was a month ago. That's good, but it's not in an overall sense as if there aren't cases circulating in the community.
Earlier this week, Pfizer submitted data to the FDA asking for emergency use authorization for their COVID-19 vaccine to be given to children ages 5 to 11. He says this is exciting. Kids could be eligible for the vaccine sooner than he expected.
I think that's going to go a long way to helping make schools even safer and alleviating a lot of, right, the more people are vaccinated, the more they're protected, and the fewer kids miss class and lose learning.
In Fayetteville, covering news where you live, Catherine Gilker, 5 News.
A new quarantine exemption will include even more schools once children 11 and under can get the vaccine. If 70% or more of a school's population is fully vaccinated, they will not be required to quarantine if there is an exposure at school. Tomorrow, when the